I am Mr. Rasai PG, Assistant Teacher, Mahatma Gandhi Vidyalaya staff. Today we start new chapter for the 10th standard, Heredity and the Evolution. In 9th standard you learn about the what is mean by gene, what is mean by chromosome, the types of the chromosome, the structure of the DNA, structure of the RNA, and genetical disorder and theory. Today we will start heredity and the evolution. You know the meanings of the chromosome, meanings of the gene, the structure in the nucleus of the cell that carries the hereditary characteristics is called the chromosome. Chromosome mainly made from the nucleic acid and the proteins. Chromosome made up of DNA. What is mean by gene? The segment of the DNA which contains all the information for synthesis of the particular protein is called a gene. What is mean by heredity? The transfer of the characteristics from one generation to next generation through gene is called as heredity. The meanings of the chromosome. Component of cellular nucleus carrying hereditary characters. Genes are the segment of the DNA present on chromosome. The process of the formation of the complex protein. In this process, first central dogma, second transcription, third triplet codon, fourth anticodon, fifth translation, and sixth translocation. We discuss one by one. First, central dogma. The protein are the formed by DNA with the help of RNA is called a central dogma. The information for protein synthesis is present in DNA. The next, transcription. You know the pratilekhan. You sketch diagram. In this diagram, RNA polymerase, RNA nucleotides. This is the process. The process of the formation of the RNA from DNA is called transcription. Then triplet codon. 3 nucleotides in mRNA act as code for amino acid. It is called triplet codon. Then fourth, anticodon. 3 nucleotides complementary to codon of mRNA is called anticodon. tRNA supplies amino acid. Sometime asked to in SSC exam. In March 19, asked definition of the transcription, triplet codon, and central dogma. Fifth, translation, भाषांतरण. Sketch diagram. mRNA nucleus, lysine, tRNA, the ribosome, mRNA, and codon. Very important diagram for your examination. Sometime asked to what is the structure or the which diagram you have seen. Translation and the translocation. Amino acid. Translation means amino acids brought by tRNA are joined together by peptide bonds with the help of the RNA. This formation of the polypeptide is called translation. In this process, last translocation, sthanantaram, the movement of the ribosome from one end of mRNA to other end is called a translocation. In this translocation or this process, this is a mutation. The minor change occurring when nucleotide of the gene changes its position is called as mutation. Observe in this diagram. This changes. This is the main sequence. T A A C T G C A G G T. This is a replacement. GAT. Mainly TAAC. Sequence. Main sequence is the correct. Then replace this T, Z and the C. This is the mutation. The minor change occurring when nucleotides of the gene changes its position is called as mutation.